Hi and welcome to another product demo from fobfix.com. Today we're going to be adding an extra key to this 21 plate Transit Custom with our 19 and up Transit programmer. There's two keys here. One is the owner's key, which is currently works the van, but we've got, I'll just hold that one out of the way, got a cut spare that currently does nothing. Right, there we go. I'll just open up the panel down here where the OBD connector is. You just pull underneath this panel. I've done it already, so it's easy to take off, but it's just the plastic clips, and the OBD port is just there. Right, I'll jump in so we can keep it nice and quiet. Right, so this is a key that doesn't work. A standard FobFix programmer will just we'll check how many keys are currently programmed to the van. I know it's 2, but we'll show you that working. So we'll take any cut key that fits the ignition, turn the ignition on. Probably will get a message at some point with this one about a key not found because it's currently not programmed. Actually, if I try and start the van, put the clutch down, nothing, no key detected. Right, so if we put all the switches down on the programmer, and we just pop that in down here. Actually, I'll turn the radio down. As lovely as the tunes are. Pop that in. Can we see the connector from there? Yes. There we go. Ignition on. A few flashes from the programmer. 2 green beeps to indicate we've currently got 2 keys programmed. I know there's no key detected. And what we're going to do is, we're going to add this key. So, as per usual, switch 4 up, ignition on, plug it in again, and what will happen, I'll try and get a picture of both. The dash will click and reset a couple of times as the tool logs in. Click, click. There we go. Park pilot turns off. No key detected again. Quite a flurry of activity for a few seconds. And when we get a long blue high beep, that's our signal to cycle the key in the ignition. Off and back on. And if we watch now, a few more flashes. Key program successful. And we did have 3 green beeps. I'll take that back out. Key out of ignition. Does a central locking fine. Just pop the clutch down. Starts the van. Happy days. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one.